Hey, it's Dave Knight here at Dave Knight Trading. I've made videos this week. I'm just not feeling, um, don't have a voice really. Got a cough. My wife has the flu, and I'm obviously thinking I'm coming down with something as well. I have been trading during the week. I'm trying to take EA 133 is the closest I've got so far to passing an EA to a PA in 2024. Closing balance today, 52 was at 308. So today was day 4 and 133, 134 failed. I believe I started 123 was my first one in January. So I believe I'm in 11 or 12 EAs altogether right now. I am chilling a little bit better now lately in my trading. I only had 4 trades a day, pulled out 50 ticks roughly, for commission cost, obviously. I'm trying to use my sim account more often to test stuff out and things that I'm happy with. I am trading my best trade of the day. I want to show you that, and I'm going to call it a day here. It was again 4th time through, and then it kind of bottomed off it and took off the other way. I was trading 18 contracts a day, a series of 2. Alright, so you can see the short signal here. I'll show you the short itself in a second, but here's where I went short underneath this, and then I was out right in here. This move right here was about like a $200 move, I guess. I was up about 190 before this one, and this one pulled out about 250, 300, something like that. So it doesn't take much of a move to make money. I was running with, let's clear this out because I've changed the way I look at stuff now. Notice that I've got 8 contracts coming out at 1R right now. Pull this over. Most likely be my only video of the week, by the way. So notice I've got 8 contracts coming out at 1R and 1 coming out at 2R. Or excuse me, 2. So I got 18 contracts, 16 of them coming out at 1R and 2 at 2R. That's my turtle side of the trade, trying to catch the longer wind. Wasn't able to catch anything today. In fact, 50 ticks was never run from entry point today. I got close on the last trade, but there was not a 50 tick winner during the day. So it came back and rolled me out because I've got a very short stop with the way Apex works. You know, you got to keep your eyes on the prize, and you can't let a move go away from you without taking profit, because you just can't afford to let the max trailing drawdown draw out too much on you. Just a bad idea until you make enough profit in your PA account to justify holding that position. So that is obviously the sticking point, not allowing the market to run for you sometimes. But today it worked out. So let's talk about the trade itself. If we go back here, we'll look at the 4th time through plus. All right, there's 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, so 3 and 4. Here's where I got short right in this area. It failed here, and the 4th time through. This is a Gann signal that I like to trade. William Delbert Gann, WD Gann. 4th time through an area Boom, coming down. Let me stop that dude from talking in the background. Listen to jazz in the background, by the way. So there's your fourth time through. The 4-minute chart, my trading chart that I use, was the doji bar here, and then this move down right there, I believe was the move. And then this move right here is the move that you see after. So it comes down to the 50 bar MA on the 4-minute chart, bounces off of it and comes through. We had already been to VWAP, so I was looking through a push through VWAP down. I was honestly looking for it to get down here to the lows, or at least down to this spread of the fat bar on this side, getting into this area. So I thought we'd have a good shot at that. It kind of stopped and bounced off. You can see that the 4 minutes is showing congestion now. Right in this area, we've got congestion, or a trading range, however you want to look at it. So it looks like it's trying to make new highs of the day. We bring this out a little bit. You can see that the target does it want to go to R1 or pivot point right now? There's not much movement in the 60-minute chart coming into this morning, and then it goes down. Now it's trying to go up for the last 2 hours. So the trade, I believe, came on this bar right here, and then I was out before this bar went the other way on me. So if we look at, what does that say, 17,825. Let's see where we exited. Out here, it looks like it's 17,829 and 17,831 too, or something like that. So I pretty much caught the low because I moved my stop behind it. Enter, stop was up here, moved it down into here. Right in this area right here, this green bar is what I looked at. I saw that green, and that was my exit point. And the other one was above the 50 bar. When it crossed above the 50 bar, I was out on the second part of the trade. Obviously, I didn't catch this move, and then it took off. And I was not in that. I had already made my 50 ticks at this point. I mean, I didn't see a signal here on this move. And then you have this blow off bar. This move here comes in at 1032 roughly. So 1032 was the low of this bar. And if I wanted to trade on the 4-minute bar, I would have had to take a high over here. Actually, this bar right here is the best high bar signal. This would have been the trade to go long on right there. This is a congestion. Here's your hammer. That's a nice little signal right there. In hindsight, 1044 going after new highs. All right. That's going to do it for me. Just wanted to make a quick update. So I've got, I'm trading 2 EAs. This one, it's 7 days, can still qualify for a payout in March. To request a payout for March 1st. Because there's still this EA 133, whatever that one is, 133 that I traded today. There's, after 7 days, there's 12 days left, so I could possibly get a payout with 12 days and request a payout for March 1st on 133 once it turns to PA, if I can get it to that PA account. Today was day 4. I'm hoping to be able to reach PA in the next 3 days on, so that's like Tuesday of next week. Friday will be day 5. Monday, Tuesday next week will be 6 and 7. Hopefully I'll get to 53,000 on this one and turn that one into my first PA of the year and be smart with it and see if I can take those 12 trading days, if I can make it within that time period, and see if I can get some money out of Apex this in March. Requesting it on March 1st and then a possible payout by March 15th, if not sooner. Wow. So here's the 369 chart. It's been nothing but up since that 1044 bar that we see. Here's the 1032. There's your hammer forming. And nice up move finally. Guess if I would have kept on trading, I would have caught that one. Would have most likely got out. Right in here, probably would have been exiting most of my contracts on this down move there. And I might have been able to stay in this one with the other two. Interesting. So I wouldn't have caught the 1032 mark, but this move, this first move that went up at 1032 I would have not caught this one, but this one I would have looked at. This one here touching our 200 bar and the VWAP, and this would have been a nice signal to go after right here. I like that hammer setup. So that could have been a very nice trade on the long side if I was still trading. I was quite happy being where I was though and not feeling so great. All right, we're going to wrap it up here. This will be my video most likely for the week. God bless. Take care. I'll see you in the next video I put together. Bye for now.